Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix network error or any kind of connection error on PS5 consoles for the game MLB The Show 26. So if you're getting any kind of connection errors or network errors in this game MLB The Show 26 on PS5 consoles, then here follow the fixes. Now before performing any of the fixes, first check the MLB The Show 26 server status. So you can go to the Down Detector website to check the MLB The Show server status, or you can also check the MLB The Show X page, or also check the PlayStation service status. And if you find that the server status is down, under maintenance or having outage, then you have to wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. Now if the server status is online and if you are still getting server issues or connection errors, network issues, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to switch internet connection. So first of all, use the Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. Now if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then you can connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network or mobile data network and then check. Or simply restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In the Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. Switch between these two and then check which one works for you. Fix 4 is to restore license. So on your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and then go to restore license. Select MLB The Show 26 game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 5 is to change DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Now change the DNS settings from automatic to manual, and in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then hit on OK, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then hit on OK, and then you can go ahead relaunch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Now this is the last solution. If none of the solution work for you, then simply reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So if you're using an SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the MLB The Show 26 game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve MLB The Show 26 game network error or connection error on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.